Hi everyone, let me show you how to make your Facebook profile animated or video or GIF file. So you have to go to Facebook. Now look at my profile, how it is. Going to make live photos to video for profile through live photo app. Now save it. After saving this photo, next step I will show you how to make photos to GIF file or animated, or you can say video. So you have to select your photos and now press OK how much you want to select it, 2 to 3 photos. After that you will see that your picture is moving and rotating like a video. So you save it. Now after saving those things, you have to go to your Facebook and now select. So now you can select over here. You just upload your picture which one you want. So I'm selecting. Now you can see finally we have done our profile picture to a video or animated file. So thank you for watching.